I am Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the World, appointed by God as a Mother of the World. And some spiritual souls, some spiritual persons, every day God invites us at His home and teaches us excellent lessons for benefit of all human beings in the world and especially for pleasureful life to humanity. Today, early in the morning, God has teaches us the excellent lessons and instruct us to convey this message for entire human beings and happiness and pleasureful life to all living beings in the world. I am conveying this message here. Importance of family, potentialities, capacities, family values within society and for entire the world. Why some negativities and problems comes in family? What are the solutions for removal of such negativities and problems from family? We can see importance of family. God has created men and women together in the world for running humanity forever through unique couple pair of man and woman make available in family systems by marriage system. Two mature persons, men and women, genders, come together willingly for living together and works together for solving many questions and problems, many duties for getting uh, answers of human beings by family arrangements. There are equal weightage and importance giving to all family members living together in family and get highest development of spiritualities and materialistics. In other words, developments of soul's powers and physical powers can be possible by family unit. Human beings can become equal. Good is only possible by noble family members. So we can say that family systems are excellent gift by God to all human beings in seven beautiful worlds. Now potentialities in family. Anybody can see the model of God and goddess in the form of innocent children, boys and girls, during childhood period. All types of happiness and pleasures can be feels all family members like with God and goddess playing with all family members during childhoods in family. This is golden times for all children with their parents, and children can get use all types of knowledge like spiritual and materialistics treasures of knowledge and be capable by all means up to age of 25 years from their noble unit of family. Now capacities of family. All noble families can make equal good and goddess for all seven beautiful worlds. We can see and understand that all messengers of God and founders of all beautiful religions, systems in the world have been provided by noble families units. Noble family is starting and last and ultimate sources for pleasureful lives for all living beings in the world. Noble families can provide spiritual leaders, best rulers, best artists, best businessmen, best players, best scientists, best doctors, best engineers, best social servants, and all kinds of qualities noble persons by noble families. Now, family values within noble families. Love for each other in family members. Purity in relationship among all family members. Trust on all family members. Understanding and adjustment and cooperations among all family members. Provide equal opportunities for development lives for all family members without any discriminations. Perform their duties allotted by family to each family members by full capacities for providing pleasureful lives to all family members and all living beings in seven beautiful world. 2. Now sacrifices for each other without selfishness and bad intentions can give peaceful lives to all family members. Always work together with all family members as a team with team spirits for give and take, happiness, strength, powers, and ultimate provides pleasureful lives to all family members and all living beings in seven beautiful worlds. 2. Why some negativities and problems come in families? What are the reasons of negativity? Some negativities and problems arises in families. Reasons for those are characterless lives start among family members, broken trust on each other among family members, excess love and affections on children will make children careless and laziness about their building careers during golden times of childhood. Run behind obtains more and more materialistic things. Then love, peace, happiness, care, supports, give times for each other. Many types of addictions by family members always creates health and economic problems in family. Bad relationship with bad outsider persons always creates many problems in family. Mismanagement of timing schedules among family members. Comparisons with higher class families and excess wishes, excess expectations always creates negativities and problems in family. Now we will see some solutions for removal of such negativities and such problems from family are as under: implements real spirituality practices for enlighten of hearts of all family members. Do regards, respect, and follow all advices and instructions of parents and elders. Those are available in family. Make earning capacities sufficient So, all basic necessities for living beings can be obtained by legal ways. Avoid bad relationship with bad people, outsider bad people by all family members. Building sound characters, moral values in all family members. Do timely and with time management systematically all works by all family members. Love, care, sympathy, cooperations, adjustments, sacrifices, selfishness, attitude are necessary among all family members. Removal of all addictions, bad habits, and get love, happiness from family members. Leave comparisons, attitudes with others, higher families, living standards, less wishes and less expectations, simple life and high thinking. Sure, all such qualities will remove all types of negativities and solve all problems of all families in seven beautiful worlds. I am praying here, all my lovely human beings, to share your all noble experience from your noble lives and all your noble thoughts, noble ideas, noble techniques in your noble lives to me on my WhatsApp number. I will spread your all noble experiences, noble ideas, noble thoughts and noble techniques in entire the world for benefit of all human beings and happiness of all living beings in the seven beautiful worlds. So you can share your experience on my WhatsApp number +91 9898 375 375. I am repeating my numbers as per India code +91 9898 375 375. I am praying to Almighty God here for benefit of all humanity and all living beings of the world. Oh my God, oh my supreme powers, Almighty God, please make your blessing of showers on all living beings in the world and as well as on humanity, all human beings in the seven beautiful world, so that all human beings can be equal to God yourself and meet you at your house and at your heart, in each hearts of all living beings in the world. This is my humble prayers for benefit of entire humanity and pleasureful life to all living beings in seven beautiful worlds. We will meet from time to time. Just I am performing my humble duties to convey this beautiful message. This message always we learn at house of the God from God. This message not came from my own minds. So this message I am conveying here as a servant of God, as a mother of the world appointed by God. Goodbye. God bless.